Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Sandy, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this lazy girl hairstyle. So this is the extension that I'm using. This is a braid extension, and it's actually expression brand. So I just took it out from the pack like that. I didn't have to cut or pre-stretch anything like so. So right after I took it from the pack, I'm just dividing it like so, and then I'm just gonna twist one part, and then I'm gonna twist the other part, just like as though I'm creating a twist, just like you can see on the screen already. So guys, I didn't have to stretch this because when I brought this out from the pack, it had some little ends, so I didn't have to like stretch it to have that finished look. So when I got to the the end of the twist, I just basically just weave it instead of twisting it. You're gonna see that pretty soon, so just keep on watching. So right after you're done twisting one part, you're gonna twist the other part. So this is what I meant by they had some little strands, so I didn't have to like find it difficult to like secure the ends. So this is how you're just gonna be passing it through, just like a cross kind of section. This is basically just a lazy girl hairstyle. If you're that kind of person that you just want to do something very easy and quick, then this video is definitely for you. So this is basically it. This is just all you're gonna be doing until you're done, until you get to the end, and then you just want to tuck that in. And also I'm gonna be making use of my bobby pin to just secure that properly, and that is basically it. Very easy go-to hairstyle. If you're looking for a go-to hairstyle that is easy, that won't take you less than 2 minutes, then this video is definitely for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much. Kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video if you haven't, and I'll see you lovelies on my next post. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. You guys are the best. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next post. Bye.